Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Bluetooth connecting issue on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, click on Reset and click on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. After click on reset Bluetooth setting and click on reset settings, and you will see your problem is solved. But if it do not solve, again click on settings app, click on connection and click on Bluetooth. Make sure turn on Bluetooth mode. After turn on Bluetooth mode and turn on Bluetooth mode. Turn on or turn off Bluetooth mode 1 to 3 times and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, again turn off Bluetooth mode and turn on Bluetooth mode, and here showing you your device and connect. So if it's still not solved, go back and open quick settings panel and click on this power icon and click on restart. After restarting, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Bluetooth connecting issue on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.